Hello everyone, today I'm going to use our posts and the balls to make another table centerpiece. First of all, take a ball and cut to the size and shape we want. I use this PVC hard ball. You can use other ball like wooden ball, that will be better. Okay, I cut off a small piece and then I will drill the hole on the ball. Since this ball I use for other project, there are already 2 holes here, so I will drill 2 additional more will be okay. Look, I already marked a record for where I should drill the hole. Okay, 1 ball completed. And then we cut another ball. So I will step them together. To step them together, because we can make sure the hole for 2 balls are matched. Okay, so we make all the ball ready. Then the next step, we need to make the ball into gold color. You can paint it into gold, but I don't like painting work, so I will use this gold wallpaper. Very simple. Just first of all, cut the shape and the size we want. Depends on the base we make. Look, tier of this paper, there's group on the back of the wallpaper, so we can adhere to the ball. Okay, completed with the gold color. If you didn't adhere them together very well, it will cause some air bubble. Look. Actually, it's not easy to stick. If cause some air bubble, you can use a needle to make a hole and squeeze the air out will be okay. Okay, then make the hole. Okay, I make the hole. It looks not pretty, but after we put on the screw, the come out will be okay. Since this is DIY idea, so we cannot make everything perfect. So we made 1 ball in gold color and another ball without gold wallpaper. Also, I will make another ball with the KTB ball, the soft ball, to make another one. The reason of not using all the hard ball and make it all in gold color because I do not have enough budget to buy the gold wallpaper. Anyway, let's install the stand. Talking about the stand, I'm going to make it a little bit special. I'm going to make it 2 layers. So I will use the short pole. Look, this 20 cm pole. In fact, 10 cm pole will be better, but I didn't have it on hand. So I will use this short 20 cm pole. Use a slide. Go through the ball. And then another slide. Then this screw. Okay, then let's make the second layer. Use the screw to go through the hole. Okay, and then we can use different lengths of the post to make the stand tall as you want. So I will use 30 cm. I will use two 30 cm poles. So totally, our stand will be 80 cm tall. Okay, then on the top, another ball. Okay, our stand completed. It's so a little bit tall, but anyway, let's go ahead. Okay, and then let's tie on a floral foam. Okay, then the next step, we need to insert the leaf and flower on the foam. I will use this leaf, but since there was a step in the store many years, out of string, so maybe they come out not pretty. But anyway, let's try. We don't have to make everything perfect. Okay, completed. But it looks too much tall. We can use to make the backdrop, but anyway, let's use it to decorate the table. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Actually, it's too much tall, and it could be used to make a backdrop decoration also. Maybe in the future, if I have times, I will use it to show you the idea about using it on the backdrop. The stand's about 80 cm tall. In fact, you can make it lower because we can pick and combine with different lengths of the stand. This is the advantage by using the pole idea. Okay, I will change the installation to make this layer taller. So let's check the effect. Okay, we slightly changed the design. Let's check the effect. Look, the candle layer taller than before, but actually it should be a little bit lower. The come out will be better. But since I forgot to get 10 cm longs of pole sample, so just like this. I show you this idea, just want to show you the advantage of using our pole idea so that we can use different lengths of pole to make different size, different design, different shape of the stand. This is the advantage. Okay, let's zoom in to check the effect. Look. Since I do not have enough leaf sample on hand, if we use much more leaf on it, the come out will be much more better. Look. For your information, we surprise almost all the material used on the video, includes the flower, leaf, and our pole. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to the page from the information field below the video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support by thumb up, share, and comment on the video. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye.